as you can see, that this is the progress right now for the collard greens, onions. So on this side it's just collard green, they're growing nicely, and onions. Also, we will try to do something on this side too. So these are the seedlings that grow, the rest did not grow. So this we try to put the tomatoes on this side, and also we have just something like more like an experiment. So we'll plant some few items here, and my idea really is to have some tomatoes plant here. You can see this square right here that I started digging. So we'll try to put in some tomatoes there and then see if it will come out. The tomatoes seed bed is right here. We'll see, this is my second trial, so we'll see if something grows up on this one, but we'll see. Experimental plot, tomato plots, the plants for tomatoes, and a little bit of tomato on this side, and then all the collard greens and onions are growing on the other side. We'll just leave it as it is. We also have some chicken or chicks. They're inside right now, and the ducks right there under the trampoline, but we'll update you later about that. Anyway, it's Kibi again checking out with update number 4 about the garden. Bye bye.